Welcome to the Essence of Homeschooling podcast, brought to you by the umbrella school, Statheros Academy. We empower and equip you to cultivate the authentic homeschool lifestyle, where freedom and relationships rule.
Hey, homeschool mom, I'm so glad you're here. My name is Colleen Prayne. I'm a homeschooling mom of 3 teenage boys, a small business owner, and married to a first responder. I love the homeschool lifestyle and firmly believe that if you want to homeschool, you can do it successfully as long as you're committed to learning, growing, adapting, and getting out of your comfort zone. My ultimate goal is to serve and empower you as a homeschool mom. Before I started homeschooling, I was so intimidated by the curriculum choices and the ins and outs of homeschooling. I couldn't make sense of what curriculum I should get or how to start, so I waited 2 years to start my homeschool journey. The homeschool curriculum market was so confusing and overwhelming that it paralyzed me. I thought if I wasn't smart enough to figure out a homeschool curriculum, then I was too stupid to homeschool. I was extremely insecure and truthfully very scared. I was miserable because I knew what I wanted, but I wasn't confident enough to just go for it. In 2012, my oldest was in a private school and about halfway through first grade. We had just made the last payment on his tuition for the rest of the year and it was non-refundable. The school was great. I had no complaints. It just never felt right. I was full of doubt and money was extremely tight, but I knew in the depths of my mama gut that homeschooling was right for us. It was the lifestyle I wanted to experience with my children. I was fed up with feeling this way. My husband, who was initially completely against homeschooling, had finally come around and was on board with the idea. I told him if homeschooling is right for us, then there's no reason to wait. If it's what we're supposed to do, then it needs to happen. The right thing to do is to walk away from the private school now. We'll figure it out as we go. Not doing this for the money that we spent on the tuition doesn't make a wrong thing right. So we pulled him out and the rest is history. I tried to find my place in the homeschool community. I am a Christian and I landed in a space filled with devout women. Many wore long skirts to match their long hair. Some were meticulously manicured, and all seemed to enjoy healthy marriages and boasted picture-perfect families. I immediately found myself awkwardly out of place. I'm a t-shirt and jeans girl, always sporting a messy bun. I have 3 boys who are rather rowdy, and some had special needs. With a bumpy marriage, my family didn't fit into their paradigm of how family dynamics should work and look. I'm introverted, fiercely independent, and rough around the edges. I tried to make connections for a long time, but consistently felt inadequate and ashamed. I decided I would create a space where all homeschooling moms could receive acceptance and support regardless of what you believe, how you look, how your kids behave, your marriage status, or how you decide to homeschool. I want to help you learn how to homeschool and be comfortable faster than I did. I want you to feel confident quickly so you can enjoy your relationships with your kids. I want you to make the most of every moment that you have with them. I want you to love being with your kids, to treasure the miracles that they are, and I want for you and your children to overcome your challenges and to help your family chase your dreams. I want you to know there's always someone you can reach out to for help and encouragement, and you never have to homeschool alone. I founded my homeschool hub in 2017, and in 2020, we added Statheros Academy to our roster of services. In February 2024, we officially rebranded to the umbrella school Statheros Academy. We provide a range of homeschool support services to our enrolled families and have homeschool coaches who offer private, non-judgmental, one-on-one assistance for you. Everything we do is geared towards empowering, equipping, and encouraging you to homeschool. In addition to this, I have another small business called Got a Dream Travel, where I plan trips for families to promote bonding through travel experiences. Our homeschool coaches and I are thrilled to meet you here every week to explore the essence of homeschooling. We'll delve into our own experiences, sharing the lessons we've learned the hard way so you can benefit from our insights and make your homeschooling journey smoother. Sometimes it will be about the nuts and bolts, and other times we will get raw about our struggles and how we made it through them. From time to time, we will have guests as well. Count on a new episode each Wednesday. Whether you're just thinking about homeschooling, just getting started, or have been at it a while, this is a space where you're welcome and accepted. The essence of homeschooling encapsulates the homeschooling lifestyle's core principles, values, and defining characteristics. It encompasses the fundamental reasons why families choose to homeschool, such as personalized education, flexibility, family-centered learning, and fostering a love for lifelong learning. It represents the unique opportunity for parents to tailor education to meet their child's individual needs, interests, and learning styles and special needs, while cultivating a nurturing and supportive learning environment within the home. Ultimately, the essence of homeschooling reflects the belief in the power of family to empower children to thrive academically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and socially in a way that honors their individuality and fosters a lifelong passion for learning. The essence of homeschooling is the feeling you get when you share space with your children as they discover the wonder of our world and what interests them. It's the deep bonds that families develop when they share life through the homeschool lifestyle. The essence of homeschooling is the joy you experience by breathing the same air as your kids and walking through life together during their important formative years. The essence of homeschooling is love. Thank you for spending this time with me. Over the next few weeks, I will introduce our homeschool coaches, and then we will start digging into all things homeschool. If you want to send us your questions, go to the show notes where you will find a link to submit them. You can also find information for this podcast at theumbrellaschool.com/1. Thank you for coming, and I'll see you next week. Come join us in our private Facebook community, The Essence of Homeschooling, where you can connect with like-minded individuals, share resources, and gain valuable insights from Colleen and our homeschool coaches. We can't wait to meet you.